Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to update your drivers, and I will show you the things that you need to make your drivers up to date. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is click here on Start, go to Settings, and then from here we go to System, and then right here you already see it, you can also see it at home. Here is standing Windows Update, so click on that. Then from here we click on check for updates, and right now he will check for updates for my completely PC. So everything that my PC needs, he will find an update for that if that is necessary. Now let's say in maybe a few seconds we can see what he brings. But here you can see it, there is a new update available and he will download that now immediately. Alright, the second thing that you need to do is if we minimize this one and we search for Device Manager and we go to Device Manager, you will see here all the things from your PC. So right now, if I'm looking just right here, we can update the Bluetooth driver if we want to. So if you click on Bluetooth, click then on this and do right mouse and then do update driver. We can search for automatically drivers, and right now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Now we can also do that for this update driver, search automatically for drivers, and it's already been installed. Now you can do this for literally everything, for every single driver that you want, and these two settings will fix your updates. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.